people? Huge shout out to Hall Genesis for allowing me to review the 2021 Genesis G80. Today we're reviewing the 2021 Genesis G80. This particular model wrapped in a vet black. For the length, 196 inches, height 57 inches. You have a wheel base of 118 inches with a ground clearance of 5.5 inches. Right here we're looking at a 3.5 liter twin turbocharged V6 pushing out 375 for the torque, 391 at 1300 RPM for the MPG highway, 26, city, 18. Here's the sound of it. Right here we're looking at a 20-inch alloy wheel with a machine accent finish. This particular model has remote start with smart park assist. Now we're making our way inside the vehicle. We're greeted with black leather. You have a 12-way powered seat with ergo motion. Right here we're looking at a 12.3 3D cluster gauge. On the left you have your MPH with your gas gauge. On the right you have your RPM with your engine temp. In the middle you have a digital display. You have your heads up display. Now we're bringing it back to your leather wrapped steering wheel. You have your Bluetooth and volume button with voice command alongside your cruise control setting with your plus and minus paddle shifters. Looking at the buttons on the left side of the steering wheel where you have your interior dim, auto start feature, lane departure with your traction control, and your trunk release alongside your electronic parking. In the footwell you have your hood release. Looking on the door panel you have your memory seat settings. Looking down on the door panel you have your standard unlock and lock with your one-touch window control with mirror control. Right here we're looking at a 14.5-inch infotainment center with Android Auto and Apple CarPlay running the latest Genesis Connect. You have your 360 backup camera with a split screen. You have your engine start stop button, aka your push button start. This particular model is the keyless entry. You have real wood grain finish on the dash. We done made our way down to your dual climate control with your heated and cooled seats alongside your heated steering wheel. Now we are unveiling the cubby area with your 2 USB alongside your wireless charging pad. You have your radio control bezel. You have your shift bezel. This particular model is the 8-speed automatic transmission paired with an all-wheel drive. Now we are unveiling the cup holder area. The buttons right here are your drive mode with your parking view with your parking assist. Now we're making our way inside of the center console. Wow, this is pretty deep. Alongside your 12-volt outlet. You have your glove box for extra storage space. We done made our way up to your interior dim alongside your moonroof control with your SOS safety connect alongside your Genesis Connect. Now we're making our way to the back of the vehicle. We are also greeted with black leather seats. You have your air vent. You have your climate control. Looking down on the door panel, you have your child lock with your one-touch window control. You have your cup holder area. The buttons right here are your heated seats with your visor control. You have another center console in the back of the vehicle. You can control the passenger seat from the back of the vehicle. Now we're making our way to the cargo area, measuring that 13.1 cubic feet. Wow, you can put a couple of 50-inch TVs back here. Once again, huge shout out to Hall Genesis for allowing me to review the 2021 Genesis G80. If you need any information about them, I'll leave the link in the description below. Let always good people browse the channel, like, subscribe. I look forward to seeing you next video.